Okay, this is Uber driver Troy here. I'm in Kingston, Jamaica, and I see a Uber car, a car with an Uber sticker, and I need a ride. But let's see what's happening here. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Are you Uber?
Yes, I'm Uber.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm working, but apparently the app is not working here.
Okay, because I understand. I turn on the app, I'm not seeing where any activity is taking place. Apparently, Uber do not work in Jamaica. So you're not getting a ride.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I need a ride. I need an Uber ride. Alright, good luck. Thank you. Welcome. Yes, this is Jamaica first Uber ride. Yeah, this car have an Uber sticker in Kingston, Jamaica, but it does not work. So sorry to you guys who want to get Uber in Jamaica. Uber does not work in Jamaica. Yeah, this is Kingston, Jamaica. Uber driver Troy here. Does not work.